Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making whipped body lotion. I do this by using any kind of lotion and oil and mixing it together. You can use a blender, you can hand mix it any way you want. It just turns out to be a really nice creamy lotion. Well, you'll see. So today I'm going to be using Alba lotion, Palmer's cocoa butter, Alba body oil, and for a little bit of scent, I'm using this Rose Radiance Oil by Tree Hut. You can really use any lotion and oil or lotion and cocoa butter, whatever mix really, but you kind of just want like something oily and something more lotiony to get this kind of whipped lotion that I'm going for. So I'm going to start out with, I have some old Alba body lotion and Palmer's, so we'll start with that, put it in and we'll mix it up. The ratio is really up to you. You kind of just play with it a little bit. I tend to do kind of half and half with, I don't know, maybe like 1/6 or 1/8 of it oil, not too much. Then a little bit of this. Smells good. So this I like to use after I get out of the shower or anytime my skin is feeling really dry. I notice after I shave my legs, it's really nice to get either some coconut oil, baby oil, some sort of oil on there before you put lotion, especially scented lotion, because it tends to sting. This, I don't notice any sort of, well, I also don't really use much scent, but I don't notice any sort of sting if I use this right out of the shower or right after I shave. So, there you have it. Whipped body lotion. Enjoy. Thanks for watching Peachy Nurse. Please like my video and subscribe to my channel to get notifications on new uploads.